Oh, look at them. They love the rain. It's my birds. Oh no, the vicious little hunter. She sees the birds. Are you plotting on my birds, little cat? Yeah, I knew it. I just got back from the store because after I cracked that joke at my cat, she kind of took it personal and showed me what was up. So now I have a little chore to do. And I shouldn't have made fun of the little cat so much because she kind of went to war with the scratchy post here. So I think I can fix it, but let's find out today. Boy, the little cat don't take no mess. And I'm sure they'll be along with their curiosity once we get started. As a matter of fact, they're already here. We're in luck. The local store had some rope. There might be hope for us yet. Get the leg cutter 5000 out here. Don't cut yourself. Again. You don't even need a knife. On second thought, you do need a knife. The judge is in session. Have you reviewed everything? Does it meet your expectations? Have you done your quality test yet? Does it get the kitty cat paw of approval? Huh? All right, then just say no funny business. I can sign right out. No funny business. Say it.